guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle, and if you did not do any deals last week, you can still do them again because most of the coupons are still valid. One thing I would suggest is scan your items to see what coupons or CRTs that were attached to make the deal a better one. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Select Crest toothpaste is on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.98, get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each, limit of 3, but you only get $1 back because you only bought 2. And that will end up making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is the spend 12 get $4 back, and Sally Hansen is part of this deal. Pick up 1 Sally Hansen Insta Dry, priced at $7.99, and 1 Sally Hansen Growth Treatment, priced at $4.19. These two will total $12.18. Use the $4 extra care coupon, and we also have a $2 digital coupon that is attaching to the growth treatment. The CRT and the coupon will take off $6 and you pay $6.18, get 4 back, making them $2.18 or $1.09 each. If your store follows the 98% rule, you can pick up the Sally Hansen nail mask priced at $11.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. Use the $2 digital coupon and the $4 extra care coupon. That will take off $6 and you pay $5.99, get 4 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal I have is spend 15, get 5 back on Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up the Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $6.19 and 1 Maybelline lipstick priced at $8.79. The two will total $14.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15, so make sure your store follows that. Check your app. We have a $3 Maybelline coupon, and I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $6 and you pay $8.98, get 5 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is spend 20, get 10 back on 10-ounce Jegging Wet Skin or the 16.8 to 36-ounce moisturizers. Pick up 2 priced at $9.89 each, and the two will total $19.78, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Pay $19.78 and you get 10 back, making them $9.78 or $4.89 each. A good filler item I have this week, if you need one, will be the Nivea Lip Care. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $4.69 each. Both will total $9.38. Pay that and get 4 back, making them $5.38 or $2.69 each. Method hand wash is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $2 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.19, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.60. The two will total $7.79. Pay that and get 2 back, making them $5.79 or $2.90 each. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on Neutrogena or Clean and Clear Acne Care. Pick up the Neutrogena Clear Body Wash priced at $11.99. We have a $3 app coupon and you pay $8.99, get 5 back, making it just $3.99. If you like the Clarisol facial care products, they're on the deal of buy 1 get $2 back. Pick up the Stubborn Acne Control Wash priced at $8.29. Pay $8.29 and you get $2 back, making it just $6.29. If you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal because the item is not on sale. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on Suave hair care or deodorants, and I'll show you the 2 deals. That's the deodorant and the hair care, but this is a limit of 1. If you're picking up the hair care, pick up 2 Suave Essentials on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $3.89. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.95. The two will total $5.84. Pay that and get 2 back, making them $3.84 or $1.92 each. Or you can pick up 2 Suave deodorants priced at $4.59, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.30. The two will total $6.89. Pay that and get 2 back, making them $4.89 or $2.45 each. The next deal I have is on Aussie Hair Care, and they are part of buy 2 get $5 back. Pick up 2 Aussie 3-minute miracle treatments priced at $6.59. The two will total $13.18. I thought I saw a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Aussie hair care, but I scanned the item in the store and nothing is coming up. So check yours and see if you have it, or maybe it has expired. I'm not too sure, but make sure you're checking. Pay the $13.18 and you get 5 back, making both just $8.18 or $4.09 each. My next deal is spend $20 get $7 back on any Shake, Edge, Skintimate or Bulldog Shave products. Pick up the Shake Touch-Up Razor, priced at $8.59, and one Shake Wasking Strip, priced at $13.79. The two will total $22.38. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Touch-Up Razor and a $4 digital coupon for the strip. The two coupons will take off $7 and you pay $14.38, get 7 back, making them $7.38 or $3.69 each. The next deal I have is on Axe Body Wash, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 price at $6.29. Both will total $12.58. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.58, get 4 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. The next deal I have is on the 3-pack Irish Spring Bar Soap. They are on sale for $2.49, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $4.98. Pay $4.98 and you get 2 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is spend $30 get $10 back, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Aveeno Baby Bath Care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. The first one you pick up is priced at $12.79. And the second item is priced at $12.49, but because of the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the one that will be 40% off will be the lower priced one, and the new price will be $7.49. To complete this deal, pick up 1 children's Tylenol priced at $9.59. These 3 items will total $29.87, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Aveeno and a $2 digital coupon for the Tylenol. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $25.87, get 10 back, making them $15.87 or $5.29 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Eucerin Baby Body Wash priced at $17.99 and 1 Baby Eczema Relief priced at $12.79. The 2 will total $30.78. Pay that and get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on the eczema relief and $1.50 back on the body wash. That means you get back $3 from Ibotta, making them just $17.78 or $8.89 each. The 2.48 liter Persil detergent is on sale for $13.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon. That will leave you to pay $11.99. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $9.99. The 32-ounce Persil is on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Pay that and get 6 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. I found some items on clearance, and I hope you can still find them after watching this video. The first one is the Starburst. It's on clearance for 75 cents. The raw drink is on sale for 75 cents. The recover drink next to it is on sale for 70 cents. The next one is the Joko drink, on sale for 75 cents, and the 4-count Joy Bar on sale for $2.32. The last item I have is the Santa Fe sparkling water, on sale for $2.25. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.